To fix Notification Center not opening Windows 11. First, press and hold Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. Wait a few seconds for the taskbar and desktop to refresh. Once everything loads again, click on Date and Time area on the taskbar and check if the Notification Center opens. If it's still not working, right-click on the Start and select Terminal as Admin. Copy and paste the following command, which I've also included in the video description, and press Enter. Wait for the process to finish completely. After that, click on Start and restart your computer. Once Windows starts again, click the Date and Time area and see if the Notification Center is opening normally. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.